Good day, everyone. Today we are going to make a spline growth or vine growth for Unreal Engine. Launch Unreal and create a new project. Open Plugins and enable Motion Design. Create new level and choose Basic. Save current level. Open Modeling and choose any mesh. Place it anywhere you want. Draw your spline and adjust according to your project. Go to Motion Design and choose a shape. Click the Motion Design tab to show the options and click Operator Stack. Click Spline Sweep. Adjust your progress offset and the scale start and scale end according to your project. Increase the steps according to your project. Look for a material that you want to use for your project. And add it to your project. Click the ring and change the material type to asset. Drag the material that you downloaded into the material asset. Change the tiling according to your project. And create a new material. Drag the textures into the material. And then connect it. Create multiplay node, or just click M in the keyboard, or you can also choose Sit in the palette in the right tab. Right-click and choose Custom Rotator. And then right-click and choose Texture Coordinate. Right-click the textures and convert the parameter, so you can change it anytime for future projects. Right-click on the material and create a material instance. Add the material instance into the ring shape. Open the material instance and adjust according to your project. Add a level sequence. Drag the ring into the sequencer. Keyframe the progress offset. Test the scale according to your project. Go to the last frame and click Ring and create a static mesh. Drag the static mesh and copy the ring location and paste it to the static mesh. Click Motion Design and choose Cloner and then Mesh. Paste the ring location into the cloner location. Click Range Enabled and change the scale for randomization. Drag animation that you want to the cloner. And then adjust a count. Click the cloner and add Effector. Drag the effector into the sequencer, and then click Pad and then Spline Actor. You can also change the easing or other settings if you want. Change the scale to 0 and then invert. Drag the cloner into the sequencer, and then keyframe the enable and do the same for the effector. Thank you for watching, and see you again on the next video.